Owen here, sharing a story about how I didn't let my condition become my disease. Sharing my lesson of how I've overcome having eczema and did so by understanding how the body is self healing and self regulating, and everything really comes back to your mindset and how you feel. So, a little bit more about me. Growing up, I had eczema, this skin condition that was extremely itchy, and it took me out of the present moment. And having these steroids prescribed to me from my doctor didn't exactly give me the relief or be a solution to the problem in the long term. So, growing up in hockey with all this hockey gear on, and then coming into my adult body and doing cheer and dance, I really noticed I needed to take care of my mindset, my body, and my skin so I could be present and constantly focused on what I really wanted to focus on without this itch and the skin condition that made me feel less confident. And because I wasn't really allowing myself to be my best self, then I knew I needed to change something within me to actually see the results and the superficial outcome that I was looking for. So, one of the things that I actually took a break from was alcohol because I knew that my blood or my body, my liver, all of it needed time to reset and clean. And oddly enough, what I found was this was also a big reset for my mindset. As I was feeling more low at times, less self love, and all of this began to change. And I began understanding the true self healing, self regulating properties of our body and actually started to help it. So I started to listen to what it wanted, think about the thoughts I'm thinking, and release some of the habits or patterns that weren't helping me. And I began to really shift how I looked at my life and myself. And that integration with new healthy habits, within months, I was able to go from constantly being bothered by this condition and this itch that was like not allowing me to focus to actually feeling free and empowering myself to know that I don't have to live with something or a condition, a disease for the rest of my life if I choose to take action, to do what I know is best and listen to my body and actually really care about the life I'm living. And that caring is really what took it to the next level because the whole combination of things is what leads to transformation or healing or any change. However, it wasn't until I really started to care that I actually cut out all alcohol. I really cared about my food. I stopped the triggers that were leading to itching, and I led myself down the path of well being in all areas of my life. And now I'm not saying that you need to get everything in your life in order for shifts to start. All it takes is one thing and then another. And that domino effect leads to your belief changing. And once your belief changes, everything starts changing. Once you know you can heal yourself, you can find the flow and create that state of stability within yourself, then you can actually walk confidently in your skin, love who you are, and be your best every day. And I know this is the primary purpose of most people. So that's why I'm sharing this because you know that you've been trying everything for your body, but you need to give your mind a different set of habits, patterns, and rhythms so it can find a new routine that actually allows it to heal and become what it naturally is. Then you can start to see yourself as the beautiful being that you know you are and start believing in your well being more and more. And because I know the skin and the surface of us doesn't really determine whether we're beautiful or not, but how you feel does. And if you don't feel confident or comfortable in your body, then you're not going to be courageous and have that clarity and express yourself honestly and authentically. So I hope this story can open your eyes, change your perspective, and shift that mindset so you can look towards one that can empower you and take those steps that gives you the greatest chance of being you fully, being your true self, authentic self without this fear or lack of confidence. So, if you're struggling, if you want to get over this skin condition and just let go into what you know is true for you, then reach out and learn how you can shift your mindset to level up your life and release all the resistance that's holding you back.